Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use URL redirect on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and then here right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now I'm going to go to the site that I'm going to add it to. So I'm going to click on this one, click on select and edit site. And then as you can see guys, you're going to be here in your dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left. And then here you're going to find all of these sections. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you will be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. So basically guys, this is gonna be the editor for Wix. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need to customize and design your site. So right now, in order to add a URL redirect, click on the plus icon right here to add an element. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these options. Here you can add a text, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. So right now, just go to button. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options, theme button, text and icon button, and so on. So you can choose the button that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one, join us button. And then you can go ahead and click on link. And then you can add a link to this button. You can either choose to add a page, a link right here. If you have a URL, go ahead and paste your URL right here. Then click on done. And whenever you click on this button, it will redirect you to that URL. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.